genera, the genus Morelia. There's 7 different species in Australia, including the carpet python group, which includes the centralian python, the carpet python Morelia spilota, and some of the various subspecies there, and then the southwestern carpet python. There's also some other closely related, the rough-scaled python and the green tree python, and then a couple that may not be as closely related as thought, the scrub python and the impelling python. But great diverse group here with a lot of cool adaptations. This is the photo that kind of did it for me. This is the one, I saw this in a book, and I used to go backpacking quite frequently in the deserts of Utah, and so getting around this slick rock, the sandstone, canyons and things just was how I grew up. And when I saw this picture, and I thought, there's a giant red python living in the sandstone canyons of Australia. I'm like, I've got to go there. I've got to find one of those. I got to keep one of these in captivity. I just fell in love. So that kind of started it for me. Centralian pythons are kind of an island. They kind of got stranded in the middle of Australia because really there's not much suitable habitat all around where they live. They live in kind of a special, unique area that has, first off, these giant, river red gum trees. They can live inside the trees. They can feed on the parrots that nest inside the trees. They kind of have shelter from the elements. They can lay their eggs and hatch them inside of the, they found a nest inside of a tree limb, a hollow tree limb, and there were probably over 100 eggshells from centralian pythons that had reused that site to incubate their eggs. So they're really nicely adapted just for this one small area. So as Australia dries up, those kind of river courses that went to the center of Australia, they disappeared. And so you have some stable water there so you can support these trees, but they're kind of an island population of carpet pythons where carpet pythons really shouldn't be. So they're very, very cool. They also hang out on the rocks, which is why I like them so much, I guess.